So today on scrapping, I get really muddy. No. So I just took this thing out for a spin. I got the throttle on. You see I'm burning up the brakes already. Yeah, we'll have to address that at some point. So the throttle, I put a spring so it retracts. This part I'm gonna make this a little better at some point, but it honestly works pretty good. So I need to make a little holder for that holds it like somewhere in that position. So this was kind of temporary to get it going. So I welded on 2 nuts here because I didn't have a cable quite long enough. So those are just tied together. So when you push this, I have this pulled out a little bit because I need to tighten these 2 guys up. So it works. You don't get quite full throttle, but it is fast enough, at least for now. I'm just trying to think. So I gotta do that. That's good. I finished up these. I give them a quick coat of paint. You can see it's already coming off, but yeah. So it works pretty good. I'm gonna put a kill switch right in here. This is the wire for the kill switch. It works, but yeah, obviously you just have to touch it to ground. You still got the kill switch back here too. So yeah, I just want to give a little update on this, and I'm gonna go take it for a quick spin around. Yeah, so it's pretty awesome. Obviously, if we want to take it drift into a parking lot or something, we're gonna have to put on the PVC pipes on the wheels. Yeah, I really probably should have painted this better before I covered it in mud. So anyway, this is the torque converter. So far works good. It's geared well, as you can see. Eventually it'll probably annoy me that I can't get 100% full throttle, but it works all right. I think a big help would be to swap this out with like a legitimate handle. The next thing I'm going to do on this, the brake is coming. There's going to be a brake for the rear and the back. It definitely needs it. But yeah, it is functional now. It's actually really fun. So yeah, I'm going to also put the kill switch on next. I got to get one. And yeah, that's that. So all the stuff that I use on this will be in the description below. So throttle cable. Oh, and I think in the last episode, I don't know if I said it, but I moved the seat back so you have a little more room. It's more comfortable to sit. It looks better too. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think about leaving the front pink. If not, I think I'll paint it. And the other brake, the rear brake, I'm gonna see. I might have it so you control it from here. Haven't really decided how I want to do that, so we'll cross that bridge when I cut it, and we'll decide. But yeah, sorry for the quick episode today, but I really didn't think you wanted to see me pinning all this together. It gets kind of boring after a while. So a couple things I need to do. I need to put a clip here that just holds this guy in place, clip here that holds this guy in place, because I don't want to move in so much. Need to straighten this guy out. And yeah, front brakes obviously need a little bit of help considering I've already bent them all to hell. Yeah, definitely need the rear brake, and we'll replace this at some point. But it served its purpose, I guess you could say. Alright, but anyway, I'll see you in the next one.